Hello, good afternoon. Um, Welcome back. So I hope you all had a good rest and recovery days. Okay, and we are approaching the second midterm exam for this semester. Okay, so the plan is to have this exam next Tuesday, which is basically in the same format as the first midterm. Okay, and like I will release the PDF file on Canvas, and you will download it and presumably print it out and work on the papers, then scan it and upload it afterwards. Right, so I have a few slides here about the scope for this second midterm. Okay. All right. So, because in the first midterm we didn't look at we didn't cover the sorting algorithms. So, sorting algorithms will be part of this second midterm. Okay, so like basically quick sort, heap sorts, and linear time sorting algorithms will be there. So, and rod cutting problem. It's the an example of the cutting of the dynamic programming problem. Dynamic programming algorithms will be covered, and also the knapsack problem is also something we will have a question about. So you can follow the link here to know more details about this knapsack problem. So I think in the last slide for the knapsack problem, we have actually some brief introduction to the background, right? So, but I think if you read more introduction, like following this link, you will have a deeper understanding about what the problem is and how basically dynamic programming approaches can be used to solve it. Okay. So I know there's a chapter for greedy algorithms, which covers Huffman codes and activity selection, right? So basically these problems will not be covered. And since last week, we spent 2 lectures on the basic data structure review, including the stack queue, binary search tree, and the disjoint sets, right? So these will not appear in the second midterm. And because we will start talking about graph algorithms today after this review. So the graphs algorithms, everything related to graph algorithms will not be part of the second midterm. And I think that's pretty much the plan. So if you have any questions, we can discuss it. Let me know in the meeting right now. Either raise your hand or type in your questions in the chat. Yes, correct. The data structure review chapter will not be in the next exam. That's correct. Yeah, same testing procedure, like from 2 o'clock to 3:15, and I will give 10 minutes as a extended time for you to scan and upload. No, the next exam is the second midterm. Okay. The next exam is the second midterm. There will be a final. I think the final, okay, the one after the, the one after the second midterm will be the final. So what do you mean by the naive approaches? Oh, like the brute force approaches for solving dynamic programming problems? Is that what you mean? Yeah, so the short answer is no, yeah. So these brute force approaches are usually, their purpose in the lecture slides is to show how the problem is not an easy one to solve. Okay, and it is as an introduction to the more advanced dynamic programming, for example, approaches. No, don't need to be on Zoom during the tests. Yeah. But the testing time is limited, and the starting time is also fixed. Yeah.
Hello, Professor.
Hi.
Hi. So the timing is like the same as previous one, right? It's the same as the class and ends at the end of the class, or 3:30, right?
Yes. Yeah.
2 to 3:30. I mean.
2 to, yeah. I think last time we used 2 to 3:25.
Okay. Okay.
Yeah.
Okay, same. And also this second midterm, I'm sorry, I just came in, joined now. So it's the material from the first midterm, it's not included, right?
No, it's not included.
Okay.
So we will just start from where we end after the first midterm. So in the first midterm, we didn't cover quicksort. So now we will start from quicksort, from the sorting algorithms, and start from that point, cover the dynamic programming, the dot cutting, the 0-1 knapsack. Yeah, so the content before sorting algorithms will not be covered.
Okay, thank you.
Yeah. Okay, so by the previous homework answers, yeah, I can upload the handouts for the solutions. Yeah. Yeah, that's basically true. The dynamic programming and greedy algorithms are the ones to focus on. Yeah. There will be space, like boxes, lines for you to fill the answer, to write down the answer. And you don't need a separate paper. Yeah. But if you want, it's okay. It's like, if you need additional paper, that's okay.
Oh, and I'm sorry, can you submit the previous like homework, the solution for previous homeworks, like I think homework 3 to 5?
I can do that.
Please,
Yeah,
please, thank you.
yeah, I can do that. Let me write it down right now. Oh my gosh. Matrix chain. No, there's no question about matrix chain multiplication.
And also, sorry, I'm just jumping in. Can you answer quickly I think the last quiz question? I was kind of vague about that binary trees, like which one is the child, parents of the child. I answered correctly, but I did a lot of trial. But still, I just wanted to know like exactly like what is how do you like explain it, like about that quiz, the last quiz, please?
Yeah, I can try that. Yeah. So it's the quiz for binary search tree.
Yeah, I think it's the last one you submitted.
Yeah. So after deleting the root node 15, so the new roots will be the one that is basically the let's say the successor of the current node, right? So the root,
Okay.
yeah, the root to the current root is 15. So according to the tree structure, the successor would be 17.
Yes.
Yeah. So actually, I'm thinking about. Actually, for this question, the correct answer should be 17, right?
Yeah. Why is that?
Mm-hmm. So it's like you want because the root node in the middle, it should satisfy the binary search tree property, which means it should be greater than the nodes in the. It should be greater than the node all the key values in the left subtree, and it should be smaller than the everything in the right subtree.
Okay.
Right. So actually, I'm thinking about if 13, if we if we let 13 be the new roots, it's still okay.
Oh, I think so I think I made a mistake with the first one, like the first question, not the second one. I think the second one, it wasn't ambiguous, the 17, but the first one, when you add the new value 10, that one I was like, I picked like where was that? 9.
Yeah.
Then, but it's 7, right? The correct answer was 7.
Yeah, I think I updated at some points because it used to be 7, and I realized some students sent me emails showing that the 7 is not correct answer.
Oh,
Yeah,
so
I changed it. Yeah.
oh, okay.
Correct answer. So
Oh,
when you insert 10, it really should
uh-huh.
follow the right, it should follow the left subtree to 6, and then you go to the right of 6 and the right of
Yeah.
7, right? And the left of 13 and the right of 9.
So then, so the answer is 9, not 7,
Yeah,
right?
it should be 9. Yes.
Oh, okay, okay. Because yeah, I tried a lot, but I got 7 and it says correct, but you updated. Okay, that
Yeah.
makes sense. Thank you.
Yeah. No problem. Okay. Okay, so if there's no more questions about the midterm, I think I'm gonna switch to the lecture slides today. All right, let me stop recording for now.